Hi there, this is Saktivel welcoming you to NumberRoyale. We've got a different version of the show going on, coming up in a few moments. We've Ratna MJ, Jack War, that's a new one, and Matt Nerd, uh, Ramalingam BN, Penguin Lover, Selva, Jay. Welcome to each and every one of you. The format of the game is very simple. We've got 8 puzzles. You must get all 8 of them right. That's as simple as that. And if you don't get one right or you run out of time, all you have to do is use a life and uh, uh, so we have to use a life and get going. So that's it's as simple as that. So let's we've got some technical glitch here that's got me distracted, but that's all right. It shouldn't affect you in any way. And so let's go ahead and get started with the show. All correct. The prize money is 3, and whoever is standing at the end of the match are the winners. Okay, so it's as simple. So let's go ahead and move on to question number 1. 6, 4, 8. The desired result is 2. As always, the first one is the simplest one, and let's try and get that going. And I'll ask our production to not to worry about the reflector. I'll manage it without it. So just let's move on. So 43 of you have gotten the correct answer. So just 38 of you given the most popular, but that doesn't matter. 43 are moving on to question number 2. (17, 5, 4), and the desired result is 88. So how do you get 88? With addition, subtraction, and multiplication from 17, 5, and 4. Obviously, you have to multiply. And what did you do before you multiplied? Or what did you add? So in this case, it's very obvious that, oh, wow, that looks like a tough one. 17 plus 5 is 22, times 4 is 88. That's what gets you into the game. So the key was multiplying the 17, I'm sorry, 17 plus 5, 22, and then times 4. So 11 of you are in, and I'm sure some of you have lives that you may choose to use to jump back in. So let's move on and see question number 3. 13, 21, and 1. The desired result is 34. I know this is a much easier one than question 2, so most of you should be able to get it. And so, you may be wondering how to get lives. You can just refer your friends and get it. So that's the simplest way to do it. So try to get lives and have them in hand before you can play the game. So wow, yeah, a lot of you have used lives and come back into the game. We have 16 winners on this. Moving on to question 4. 2.4, 8.4, 3.5, and 10.8. Just addition and subtraction in decimals. The desired result is 1.3, a small number. So I assume there is a lot of subtractions involved in this to get to that small number. So how many of the 16 got it right? So let's find out in just a moment. We're gathering the answers here. And wow, all 16 of you, are still in the game. That's great. So great news. 16 of you moving on to question 5. 4, 25, 29. The desired result is 1. Addition, subtraction, and division. So this is, I know, you're saying too easy. I don't have access to the chat window, so I'm not able to comment on your, the chats, but that's fine. We'll continue. The game is unaffected. It moves on. So let's try to go ahead and take a look at how many of you. Wow, the 16 is a solid bunch. Steady as a rock. So we're still 16 of you in. Moving on to question 6. 13, 4, 8, and 16. The desired result is 44. I'm always trying to see whether I can solve it along with you. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication. The desired result is 44. There are 32 possible solutions. So it's not too difficult. There's a bunch of solutions available to you, and you should be able to knock that off in no time. It's not simple addition is not going to cut it. So there's some multiplication involved in it. So I'm suspecting that there is some trickery involved in it. How many of you got it? Oh, 11 out of 16 are moving on. That's good. That's good. So the trick was 16 minus 3 is 3, 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 times 4 is 44. So that's the trick, and 11 times 4 was the key. I'm glad 11 of you got it. So that's even interesting. So let's move on to question 7. Are we going to have double-digit winners today, or is it just going to be in single digits? So let's go take a look at 5, 17, 8, and 7. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are the operators. Desired result is 44. There are 34 solutions available, and I'm looking to see whether we have any. Yeah, it's got to be, simple addition doesn't cut it. So what did you multiply and what did you add or subtract before or after that? That's a big mystery that's going to be revealed just now. 12 players have got this right, and I know you can use your life to jump back in. So 7 times 5 is 35, plus 17 is 52, minus 8. That's one way of doing it. And any mathematically correct way of doing it, we accept those answers. All right. So 12 of you are on. Are all 12 going to be winners? We're going to have additional people coming in with using life, or are we going to go down to single digits? Let's find out that in question 8. 8, 1, 10, and 3. The desired result is 37. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So this looks interesting. There are 24 possible solutions. So obviously there is quite a few choices available, and there has to be a multiplication. Looks like maybe 3 times 10 was the key. And let's see how many of you got it. I'm suspecting that all the 11 or even more would have gotten it. Wow, that's good. 12 of you got it right. And the solution was 10 times 3 is 30 plus 8. 38 minus 1, 37. So you have 12 of you are going to be wearing the crown for this match. And let's see who those 12 are right now. 12 winners, 25 cents each. We've got Supersonic, Siddharth, Shriji, Jarvis, Ganesh, Aji, Parni, Sakti, Selva, Durai, Ritish, and Anand. Congratulations to each and every one of you who played, who took the time out to improve your numeracy and have fun with numbers. And the winners as well. You are all crowned as the Number Royale for this match. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm glad you are staying safe and healthy. Good to see you all again. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. This is Saktivel signing off. Remember, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero. Play Number Royale every day. See you soon. Bye for now.